So you just heard the BJP take on not just the Aam Aadmi Party but the Congress as well. And in breaking news response now coming in, BJP Chief JP Nadda has also hit out at Arvind Kejriwal over the Yamuna poison claims. He says the Abda's blame on Yamuna pollution, while pinning the blame on the BJP, exposes its inefficiency and failed governance. For over 10 years, Arvind Kejriwal's government has delivered nothing but corruption. Lies, hollow promises. He further says despite receiving 8,500 crore rupees from the central government, no meaningful work has been done to clean Yamuna. The Union Minister also highlighting the infographic from Info in Data that shows how pollution spikes as soon as Yamuna enters the national capital. Instead of taking responsibility, he says Abda has started spreading fear among people for its own political gains, and Arvind Kejriwal should apologize to the people of Haryana and Delhi for this statement. So that's the big comment coming in from Union Minister JP Nadda, who's once again pointed to facts to rebut the Aam Aadmi Party's allegations of the neighbouring BJP ruled Haryana poisoning Yamuna deliberately as soon as it enters the national capital. The Prime Minister, remember, spearheaded the BJP charge yesterday. The Prime Minister, in a firm reminder to the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact said this is the same water that he too has been drinking for the past 11 years, along with several top dignitaries, diplomats who reside in the national capital. So he's been pointing to some facts. He's been citing logic in countering the Aam Aadmi Party. And here comes the latest response from BJP Chief JP Nadda, hitting out at Kejriwal over those claims. Once again, taking the Abda jibe, and says Abda's blame game on Yamuna pollution only exposes its inefficiency and failed governance, that the party has been in power for 10 long years but has delivered nothing apart from corruption, lies and hollow promises. Now, remember that this has triggered a massive war of words. The claims made by the Aam Aadmi Party, with the Delhi Jal Board also coming out with its own set of response and calling all of it factually incorrect. The Election Commission's also intervened. We'll talk about all of that and take it up with our reporters in just a bit, but let's play out some of those political reactions that have come in a little while earlier.
ये बीजेपी वालों ने गंदी राजनीति की हद कर दी। हमारे यहाँ दिल्ली में पीने का पानी हरियाणा से, यमुना से आता है। उसमें हरियाणा वालों ने, हरियाणा की सरकार ने अमोनिया नाम का जहर डाल के भेज दिया। अगर वो पानी पीने के लिए घर घर में गलती से चला जाता, पता नहीं कितने लोग बीमार पड़ जाते, कितने लोग मर जाते। ये तो हमें पता चल गया, हमने सारा पानी डाइवर्ट कर दिया, हमने आपके घर तक नहीं आने दिया।
पिछले 11 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री भी वही पानी पीता है। चुनाव हारने का ऐसा डर कि कुछ भी बोलो। मुझे पक्का विश्वास है ऐसी ओछी बातें करने वालों को दिल्ली इस बार जरूर सबक सिखाएगी।
5 साल पहले उन्होंने कहा था कि यमुना में, केजरीवाल जी ने कहा था यमुना में मैं स्नान करूंगा और यमुना जी का पानी पीऊंगा। 5 साल हो गए, आज तक केजरीवाल जी ने यमुना का पानी नहीं पिया है। आपको गंदा पानी पीना पड़ता है, मगर केजरीवाल जी शीश महल में रहते हैं, करोड़ों रुपए के मकान में रहते हैं, साफ सुथरा पानी पीते हैं और आपको झूठे बयान करते हैं।
Going across to CNN News 18's Pallavi Ghosh for more details. Pallavi, very interesting how both the Congress and the BJP are now raising some very logical questions with the Aam Aadmi Party, and the latest interesting comments coming from Union Minister JP Nadda, who cited the infographic information and shows how pollution spikes as soon as Yamuna enters the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party most certainly finding itself in a tough spot with these political charges aimed at it.
Yes, absolutely. We've just got another 4 days left to go for the campaigning for the Delhi elections to end, and certainly it's all around the water mostly, which every political party attacking each other. Well, of course, AAP is sticking to its stand. If you look at the response which was given by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal to Election Commission, he also gives a blow-by-blow account about why he thinks that there is indeed a deliberate attempt to provide toxic water by the Haryana government, which incidentally is ruled by the BJP, to Delhiites. In fact, his soundbite goes on to say that I stopped you people from dying or falling ill. But it hasn't cut much ice, either with the Election Commission, which has asked him some scathing 5 questions, nor has it cut any ice with the BJP or the Congress party. Couple of questions which are being asked of AAP. One, Delhi Jal Board comes under the Delhi government. There are periodic water testing which is done. Why is it that you did not see the bad quality of water in these 10 to 11 years? Why are you suddenly seeing it now? So it's clearly politically motivated. Second, the same drinking water is had and consumed by a large number of VVIPs, ambassadors and the common people. How come they never felt or complained about the toxicity, about the water? Third, is there a reason why you should not be held accountable? Where is the specific spot where you claim that poison is being deliberately mixed? And we saw how the Haryana Chief Minister himself drank from the Yamuna, which is in the Haryana part, to make the point that the water is absolutely fine here. It enters the Delhi leg, and the Delhi Jal Board, which comes under Delhi government, has been shoddy in its work. So that pressure is certainly mounting, because Sadak, Bijli, Pani, these were the 3 platforms on which the AAP first came to power in 2013.
Oh yes, in fact, we've seen the Aam Aadmi Party increasingly cite the letter which was penned by the Delhi Jal Board, isn't it, Pallavi? And after its response to the Election Commission yesterday, how has the EC taken note of the entire scenario? Because EC earlier on, remember, was very scathing in its commentary in asking some firm questions with some elaborate details on where really these allegations are coming from.
Well, in fact, the Delhi CM as well as the BJP delegation, both of them reached the Election Commission. But I think there is a larger embarrassment for Arvind Kejriwal here, because the Delhi Jal Board CEO had written a letter to a Lieutenant Governor and to a Chief Secretary mentioning the fact that, one, a needless panic was being created by Arvind Kejriwal, and second, because they are the nodal agency, they never found any evidence of deliberate leaking of ammonia or mixing of ammonia in water being supplied to Delhiites. Now, this is hugely embarrassing, and as expected, Delhi CM replied by saying that this is an arm twisting. The Delhi Jal Board CEO was under pressure for the BJP to write this kind of a letter. But having said that, this question is certainly going to be asked increasingly. What were you doing for the good 10 to 11 years? Why are you realizing this now? So in fact, the Election Commission also raises this point. And in fact, they're also very scathing, Christine, by asking that you hold a responsible position. You're a public figure. Should you be, one, creating panic among the people of Delhi, and second, spoil relationship with the neighboring states like Haryana, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh?
Oh yes, and you know, there's a lot of optics also attached to this, Pallavi, with the Haryana Chief Minister, you know, taking a sip of the Yamuna water to prove the AAP wrong. The AAP is calling it a photo opportunity. In fact, went on to say that he, you know, right after posed for the cameras, spit that water out. So all of that is also going on the side.